For my business, I created Teddy Bear Daycare for parents who need childcare. This may include single parents, working parents, or parents who just need a little extra help. The About section states, "Here at Teddy Bear Daycare, we are committed to providing a safe and caring learning environment that will serve your child's social, emotional, cognitive, and physical needs." Although parents are the intended target audience, the visual images are displayed as bright and happy to create an appeal for their children. It wouldn't make sense to create a modern or plain appeal to attract the parents because the daycare is for the children. Parents want to know that their child is going to a daycare that is safe, fun, and educational. The name itself, Teddy Bear Daycare, insinuates a warm and caring environment due to the connection to a child's toy teddy bear. The logo is of a happy bear going down a short slide, which indicates the daycare encourages safe playtime. Outdoor play has numerous benefits for children in early years, including strong physical health, development, and self-confidence. So tying the warm, safe teddy bear with the childhood development is the concept behind the logo. The logo is the Facebook's page profile photo, so that is an easily identifiable element in the business. It stands out by adding the rainbow circle border, which also adds excitement to the logo. Additionally, the cover photo showcases the service, which is the daycare, so that the parents can have a better idea of the business that they are inquiring. The daycare is shown as bright, colorful, and clean area for the children, which is consistent with the profile picture and following posts. For the audience to accept the intended perception of the business, the Facebook page has multiple posts showing the daycare's positive values. First off, there is an all-day open house post to invite families to tour the daycare, enjoy refreshments, and take home information. Promoting an open house gives the impression of a welcoming environment. The next post is a stock photo of the arts and crafts product that the daycare children are working on. There is a caption that states, "Children learn a lot through art. It is an outlet for creative expression and boosting self-esteem. Art is a must at Teddy Bear Daycare," promoting the business. Posting pictures of children expressing creative freedom support the claim of a fun daycare. Lastly, there is a post of children playing with toys that has a caption that states, "Sensory toys and brain development go hand in hand. We utilize sensory toys at our daycare to support early childhood development." Again, posting pictures of the children interacting in the daycare supports the claim that the daycare is beneficial for the child's educational needs. Together, the Facebook page and the letterhead complement one another with consistent colors and fonts. The colors of the border shapes and match the colors of the business logo. Furthermore, the logo is inserted at the top of the letterhead along with the contact information. A visually cohesive presentation in all business communication is important for a brand because it is professional and reduces confusion to your audience. Having different colors, fonts, or branding in general for pieces of your business can cause a loss of recognition, which in return could impact customers to return to the business. All in all, having a consistent brand can increase brand identification, increase revenue, and boost engagement.